Born and raised in Pakistan, Sabine Muzaffar is a mother of two boys aged 5 and 7 and now lives in Dubai for the last 11 years and calls it home. She started her career in journalism right after high school before enrolling in university, a business that was dominated by men back then. This experience helped her see and acknowledge how her surrounding society deals with working women and how they look down on them. This adversity did not stop Sabine. In fact, it made her more determined to reach success. Sabine truly believes that women hold the key to a bright, sustainable future. In her opinion, women's participation in every stage and aspect of life is critical for economic welfare and the development of nations all around the world. For that, Sabine's project's main goal was to shed light on women's achievements in different aspects of society. Ananki,